Hey guys, haven't put a video up in a while. As you can see, the car's finally finished. After a long process, we're pretty happy with the way it came out. I'll just give you a bit of a walk through. So I ended up changing the colour, which you can see it's called Balmoral Green. It came out pretty nice. The paintwork is actually very good. As you can see, it all looks pretty good. Let's go through. I took the original rims off. I put some GDS rims, as you can see. Except they're not the best condition, but doesn't matter, it looks neat. As you can see, our rust repairs came up 100%. Looks very nice. Let's give you a look at the interior. I've got the door trims redone. They look good. As you can see, all the GDS options. It's got the aircon. That's just in the back, there's a little bit of crap. It's just in the boot. Ended up putting the boot carpet down, which we replaced the whole bottom section of the boot, which actually came out very nice. That's where the rust repair was. I'll give you a look under the hood. It's also very neat under here. As you can see, I put some air horns just for a bit of fun. I'll give you a bit of a demonstration. There you go. Pretty good, I like it. It's my old man Julio, the welder. If it wasn't for him, the car wouldn't look the way it is today. So we're pretty happy. And if you got any comments, just leave them below, and I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you very much.